Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to EMPORIA Smart 6. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then click on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by clicking OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of EMPORIA. Also on an Android, use all of those categories at the top to select all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and click on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers, and choose Receive button. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!